You've been warned. This thing is a friggin' nightmare to build. Here's where we are now. There is this right here. This center black mass. This is hell on earth. Okay? If this was just a plain unlit 1/60th scale kit of this finish, of this, level of detail, like I said, it's like a, high grade-ish level of detail. The lights, yeah, it's a cool gimmick. I would strongly recommend, unless, this really should probably be just completely re-engineered by whoever builds it. Hindsight being 2020, I would have just done away with basically 100% of the circuit board nonsense and whatever else that Bandai had in here, and also replace all these wires with silicone jacketed. These things are horrible. They're brittle. They break. It's an overall nightmare. But that being said, we specialize in building nightmarish kits on this channel, so we're gonna continue. But oh my God, you're not getting any spirit fingers out of me today. It's just not gonna happen. So I gotta build some power pipes. Oh joy, 14 pieces each. Either way, we're gonna get the finishing touches on the torso, and then it's onto the arms. One arm should be very straightforward. The other arm with the spirit finger laser beam hand, maybe not so easy, but can't be harder than this thing's has already been. But either way, we'll be right back. Oh my God. Okay, well, as you can see here, we've got a upper body, a head, backpack, legs, all done. Yeah, I wanna kill myself. Yeah, oh boy. I mean, it's pretty impressive. You got to admit. I mean, here's the Master Grade Origins RX, and I mean, oh boy. Yeah, it's big. It's big and it's cool, and that's all I can say for it right now. Besides, it's a huge pain in the ass to build. But either way, time for arms. These should be fun, and hopefully not anywhere near as challenging as the rest of the kit, except for, the laser hand. So we'll see. We'll be back. Alrighty, we've got... oh yeah. Oh, that lovely ABS squeaky noise that we all adore. I gotta get ready for dinner. So for now, this kit can, yes, exactly. Sit and spin, buddy. Sit and spin. It's giant. It's really cool. And the one weird thing is there's basically no nub cleanup at all on this thing. As far as exterior viewable nubs, is very, very few. It's like 95% undergated, all the armor parts, which is amazing. It's astounding that they built such a nightmare, yet they bothered to undergate the damn thing. But she's not going to be super flexible, and it's just going to be a big shelf queen, really. But and everything's bolted together almost. Other than some of the armor bits that you snap on, there's a lot of nuts and bolts and screws, and if you don't like that, I would stay away from this kit. But one of the few people with one of these things. So I'll be happy when it's done. You know what I mean? One of those projects. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit. We got to head out to dinner in a few. So I'll be picking this up later tonight or tomorrow or something. BRB. Hey, welcome back. Heineken skinny cans. Hard to find a manly skinny can cozy. I'm sure they exist. I'm sure Yeti makes one. My wife, actually, I asked for one. She said, you got too many damn Yeti things already. So, that being said, I'm not a Yeti fanboy. I just, this stuff works. They're like the Weber grills of insulating products. They're going to be around a while, be able to get spare parts. But either way, speaking about parts, look at this. Oh, come on. When's the last time you bought N batteries? I think there was some little or some sort of little junky film camera in the 80s that I had that used this thing for the flash. But either way, we're back to our ginormous HY2M 1/60th scale Gouf. I'm starting this like a whole new video because I filmed half this part already, but I'm back. I've been on a hiatus, finding batteries, but also a little vacation and some other stuff going on. But we got to get this finished ASAP. AFP, because we've got a nasty big project coming right after this. It's going to be awesome. None of you Gundam people will give a crap about it probably, but the tank people will be very happy. There's something large and British afoot. I see afoot. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, you know, that hand gesture. I mean, I guess it's very Xeon, but I'm not comfortable with it personally, but it is what it is. We twist, look at that! Laser fingers! It's alive! There's a little rotatey thing. Actually, you can use the handle of the sword, apparently, to turn it on. We got the other arm done. Good arm bend. Double bend. This thing is unwieldy. This hand doesn't do much. He cannot... Yeah, he couldn't do, you know, the business with this. The fingers do not articulate. It is just a straight laser hand. Apparently, they have an alternate hand and forearm. You can, Jesus, build in the kit to have a slightly articulated laser fingers. But whatever. It says to build it, to keep it handy, I suppose. So I guess I'll put it together so I don't lose it. But yeah, we'll BRB. We're making some progress. Oh, also my missing decal sheet. I don't know why they made this. This is such a rare kit. 1/60th scale Gouf decal sheet. I mean, I don't. Is it specific to this kit? I'm not quite sure. They cut it into two halves, but that's the whole decal sheet. It was the last one in stock on eBay. It came out of China. It looks fine. We're gonna use a few of them. I don't like going crazy with decals, but we'll put a few on there. For the modeler, model decal, easy decal. I don't know what the hell, easy decal brand. I don't know, whatever. I found it. I mean, I searched for it on eBay, and like most things in this world, it showed up. But be right back. All right, so we're basically done. His little energy whip doohickey. Yeah. Oh. Get them all in frame. They give you these, these little C-clips here to put in it in different areas to kind of hold it steady. It works after a fashion. This thing is a wobbly, messy disaster of a kit. I mean, honestly, don't buy it unless you just really want a 1/60th scale Gouf. That being said, it's very cool. The laser fingers light up with that, and then you pop off his little backpack, and you flip on that switch and you get the laser eye. You flip on that switch and you get all the thrusters. So, I mean, that's awesome. How often are you going to use that? How often are you going to pick this thing up? Since it's kind of a hand grenade opposing, its hips are very wobbly and its ankles initially felt super stiff, but the ankles and this wobble here are kind of weak sauce. We've got his big-ass heat sword. That's really nice. And then we got a nice big shield. So I don't think I'm going to display it with the Whip-a-Madoo on it, because it's just not space efficient at all, and it really honestly doesn't look that great. You have to snap every single one of these little individual bits together. 59 of them. The 60th one is in his wrist. But that being said, yeah, it'd be a shame not to throw a decal or two and some flat clear on this thing. I think that's it really, just really big, but not good. I mean, it's cool. I'm gonna be happy to have it in the collection. But yeah, it's a big statue. It's not even that good as a statue. But yeah, we're gonna I guess we'll throw a couple of decals on it, just a couple, not a lot, and then get a little flat clear on her. All right, we'll BRB. Okay, terrific. Hey, the cockpit lights up. Nice. Spirit fingers. Lasery eyeball. Thrusters. All lit up. It's a cute little thing. You know, the sword doesn't move because it's bolted in there, which is a nice touch to do that. But I mean, this thing, dearie, oh my. Turn off the spirit fingers, and then we'll flip those switches off. Put his little backpack. Come on, backpack on there, and we will. Oh my God. This thing is so awkward to pose. I mean, it's cool. It's very cool. It's very big. It's very cool. You know, I mean, we got some size comparisons. Of course we do, Ian. Of course we do. Here we go. Master grade. Nope. There we go. Master grade Origins. Granddaddy. Yeah. This thing's friggin' huge. It's really huge. I mean, obviously it's not 1/48 scale mega size or even larger, but there we go. We just gotta. I think that's a kernel. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm just regurgitating what Google Images. Yeah, just a couple water slides. I mean, its size alone is enough of a thing. The super straight fingers are kind of annoying. This is the posable hand they give you. So these little guys, these will move, but no lights, obviously. But you know, if you want to floss your teeth, you could just use the pinky. Pinky's up. There we go. Perfect. And a few little extra bits left over. A couple extra screws left over. Yep. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, and there's the little whippy doodad. I mean, it holds a pose pretty well if you have the things in it. But yeah, not that great. What do I give this kit on a 1 to 10? Well, on the build, we give it. Is my dumpster fire not lighting up? Oh, my dumpster fire's batteries are dead. Oh wait. Nope. Nope. Yeah, she's dead again. The build is a dumpster fire. The posability? Dumpster fire. The cool factor? It's very cool. It's very awesome. Custom paint, which I don't do on Gundams, because these are supposed to be my Zen kits, but this was not very Zen-like to build. Is it worth the money? If you've got extra money to waste, I guess. But otherwise, we're one of the few, one of the brave, one of the proud to have the 1/60th scale HY2M Gouf. Okay? Much better looking would be to buy a perfect grade Zaku kit and a, I don't know the brand, but the resin conversion to turn it into a Gouf. Those look utterly phenomenal. This looks more anime accurate and simple, and it's big. So I don't know what to say. But that's that. Build finally over. God help us all. Don't do this. Just don't do it. If you find one already built, maybe you can buy it, put it on a shelf, whatever. Either way, it'll be a conversation piece if anyone that knows what it is ever comes over to my house and sees it. So, that being said, have a nice day. I'm going to get back to stuff I'm better at, which is model tanks. See you next time, everybody. Adios.